this is Shreya Singh. Namaste, and you're watching Shreya Singh. Bad PJ. Okay, so book reviews. Skipping Paulo Coelho and coming on to this. Before the Coffee Gets Cold by Toshikazu Kawaguchi. It has all the other 5 parts which I have ordered now. The Tales from the Cafe, Before You Forget Kindness, Before You Say Goodbye, and so and so. And this is about time travel, so it's completely fictional. Before that, I have not really tried fictional. That's what I'm saying, as a reader you should not be very confined within your own space, and you should try out different varies, oh my god, yeah, so you should try out different artists and read them, because that lets you explore the other genres as well. Earlier I used to read not self-help book, to be very precise, but yes, I read books like The Surrender Experiment, Think Like a Monk, and those books are majorly what they are non-fictional books, right? But when you read fictional, and I have never really thought that I really want to read books, because like I told you, it's not really something that I enjoy doing. So yeah, I have never really read books thinking this in mind, that I want to escape the reality or go into some fantasy world. But Before the Coffee Gets Cold really makes me think so much. So it's about a setting of Japan, of a cafe that takes you back to the past or the future. Depends on however you or wherever you want to go. So yes, it has simple, sober stories of these 4 people who travel back in time and see what they could have done. But there's one condition, that you cannot change the present. You go back in time and you want to do something. Maybe you say things out to the people, or it's majorly overwritten here that what would you change if you could travel back in time, what you could change if you could travel back in time. For me personally, that's just a lot of things, but at this moment I cannot think of any. Sound dumb. One major tip that I want to give you is that whenever you read a book, your flow breaks when you look in for the words. I'd rather just skip it, and if you are that eager to know, you may write it down. Go on, give yourself a shot off Before the Coffee Gets Cold and read the other parts as well. So maybe if I'll be done reading the other parts soon, I might upload a video on book reviewing. I talk as if how many people have watched my videos. Imagine, think, let yourself flow in that flow, and keep on exploring. Bye bye.